This is part 2 of the walkthrough for the SHSAT 2016-17 Form A. Again, if you don't have a copy of the test in front of you, you can go ahead and click on the link in the description below. It'll take you to my website where you can download a copy for free. Alright, in part 2 we are doing questions 61 through 70. So let's go ahead and get started here. Alright, so we have Mr. Grant's car gets between 20 and 22 miles. Price is between $420 and $450. What is the greatest amount he's going to spend? So we want to get the least amount per mile. That's 20. All right, and we want to spend the most, which is $450. We have to do 200 miles. So we divide that. It's going to be 10. And we have to do 10 gallons at $450 per gallon is $45. All right. Let's see, 62. The set P contains all the prime numbers greater than 6 and less than 36. And they want to know the median. So we have to find the prime numbers. So let's see here. 7, 11, 13, 17, let's see, 18, 19, 23, 27, not 27, 29, and what, 31? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. And which ones are in the middle here? 17 and 19. So what number is between 17 and 19? That would be 18. Right, because the median is the average of the two numbers in the middle. Okay, the greatest common factor. Okay, I'm not going to show you the long way to do this. You can find the prime factorization of both numbers and then find the common factors of those, multiply them all together, and that'll give you the answer. An easier way to do it is just process of elimination. We start with the biggest number. Does 1225 go into both numbers? No, that's too big. It doesn't go into this number, so that's out. Does 735 go into both numbers? It goes in here 3 times. Does 735 go into 3675? I believe it goes in 5 times. Yeah, so our answer is D. Okay, that method is typically much faster if they give you multiple choice. All right, 64. All right, we got a pattern with a gap in it. They want to know the sum of all the terms. So I'm going to make these into little groups. We've got -2 and 4 as our first group. -6 and 8 is our second, and -22 and 24 is our third. So each group is worth like 2 points, right? 4 minus 2, 8 minus 6, and 22 minus 24. So how many groups are we missing? We're missing what here? We're missing -10. We're missing negative what? Then it would be, it's going up by 4, so it would be -14. We're missing -18. And the next one would be 22, which we have. So there's another 2 points here, 2 points here, 2 points here. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Positive 12, there we go, it's K. So our answer is K. Alright. Number 65. Oh, we have to find the mean of all this. So that's going to have to do a lot of multiplication and division here. So let's get started. 14 times 8 is 112. 15 times 4 is 60. 16 times 4 is 64. 17 times 5 is 85. Yeah. And 18 times 9, 162. So if we add all that up, let's see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, carry the 1. 6, 12, 18, 26, 27, 28, and 483. 483 divided by 30 is 16.1. Alright, so again, you have to divide this by 30 to get our answer. Okie doke. And the eraser doesn't want to work. There we go. 66. The fuel mix for a small engine contains what? Gas and oil. There's 5 gas for every 6 oil. Alright. What do we want to know about? We want to know about gasoline. So there's 5 gasoline for a total of 11. And we want to know a total of 33. We could do a proportion here, but it's easier just to see that 11 times 3 is 33. So 5 times 3 is going to give us an answer of 15. We'll do a proportion later on in this section, I believe. So if you don't know how to do a proportion, hold tight and I will show you. All right, 67. In the set of consecutive integers from 12 to 30, let's see, how many are not multiples of 2 or 3? So let's see, 13 is good. 14, no. 15, no. 16, no. 17 is good. 18, no. 19 is good. 20, no. 21, no. 22, no. 23, yep. 25, what else? 26, no. 27, no. 28, 29, 30. Oh, we stop at 30. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is C. Okay. Let's see. Here's where we're going to do that proportion, I think. We've got 32 orange and 12 grape. We want to know grape. So grape is what? 12 out of a total of 44. And we need this to equal 1/3. Right? But, right? How do we change this? So we're going to add one grapefruit each time until we get to the end, right? Until it equals 1/3. So we're going to add some number. We have to add it to the total as well. All right, so we need to do the proportion here. So we have 3 times 12 plus x, right, which is this part, equals this part, which is 44 plus x. We end up with 36 plus 3x equals 44 plus x. Subtract the x, we get 2x. Subtract 36, we get 8. X equals 4. A lot of math on that one. Okay, some of these questions, like number 64 and 68, take a little longer than others. You may want to skip those questions on your first go through. You want to make sure you get the entire test done and then come back to it when you're finished. You don't want to spend 5-10 minutes on any one single question on the test. Okay? All right, 2 questions left here. Number 69. So we've got 3 bundles for each 96 square foot. So 3 will yield us 96. And we need to know 416. So 3 times 416 is 12 something. 1248. 1248 equals 96x. Go ahead and divide by 96. Divide by 96. I believe it's 13. Yeah, 13. So our answer is C. Okay. Last question. How many ways can you arrange the A and I so they're always next to each other in the word rain? Okay, well we can put AI first. A-I-R-N. I-A-N-R. We can have A-I-N-R. And we can have I-A-R-N. Okay, so in the first position, all right, there's 4 options. There's also going to be like the R's and then AI in the ends, so that's another 4. And then we have the R and the N and the AI at the end, which is another 4. So you need to put them on the left, in the middle, or on the right. Either way, there's going to be 4 on each side for a total of 12. Okay, that's part 2 of the walkthrough, number 61 through 70. I hope that helped your understanding.